Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Alright, let's fire it up. Turning the radio on, turning the buggy on. The 6-wheel drive. Okay, let me set the steering dual rate. That's very low, that's full. Steering trim looks okay. I will set it when I'm driving. Left, right is fine. And I'm at high speed. But before that, let me just bring it down first, and then we'll see the speed runs first, okay? Oh. So this is at high speed. That's where it will do 60 kilometers an hour. Alright, now let me put it to children mode, that is a little boy mode. Alright, and that is the full speed. So it's about like 30 kilometers something. I do have this speed gun. Later I can bring it out and see what is the difference in speed between these two modes. Exact difference. But you can feel it. It just lifts its rear wheel, one of the rear wheels, when going faster in faster speeds. Alright, let's introduce this bad boy to some off-roading. You know, one thing I realized about these these kind of RC cars coming from Feiyue and other JJRC stuff like that, they're not designed for hardcore off-road bashing. You can do trailing, you can do like soft-core driving, off-roading, but not hardcore jumps and bashing, because that damages them pretty quick. Anyway, we'll see how long this one will survive. Here we go. Let it go down to off-road. I want to see how well it handles off-road and drive it like a crawler. 6-wheel drive, baby. The sound is different from the rear side. That's because planetary differential gears, I believe. Oh man, the way it's traversing, awesome. I do have a 4-wheel drive with me. We will see if 4-wheel drive can traverse the way this 6-wheel drive is traversing this. That will be awesome, man. And that will show how well the 6-wheel drive can do compared to 4-wheel drive. Whoa, that's what we are talking about, man. This thing is determined to climb all these places. It's ripping those rocks. I met these rocks in Fujairah, almost killed myself that day. Long story. Six-wheel drive, baby. Awesome. Now backside is water, I believe, so I wouldn't go there actually. Man, this is nice. This is simply nice for rock crawling, off-roading. There's no place this thing will not go, I think. Sweet. I mean, see the articulation here on the rear wheels. They actually give you a lot of grip on all terrain. Awesome. Sweet. Man, now I'm going to be the fan of 6-wheel drive, definitely. Oh, check this out. This water is so transparent. Sweet, I found my perfect place to test my RC submarine. I'm coming here again for sure. Oh man, this thing rips. This thing is determined to go everywhere. I told you, this thing is designed to go everywhere. There's no place that it won't go, right? It's all in how you drive it and how you hit the challenges. Man, the FPV trailing will be simply amazing on this. Now that is 6-wheel drive. It was a 4-wheel drive, it would be sitting turtle at this place. But 6-wheel drive does the job, baby. Oh, it can climb the stairs, man. I told you, there's no stopping this baby. Man, you know what? In real life, I need 6-wheel drive as well. Man, Feiyue, I am a fan. I'm gonna order parts and keep this buggy with me and actually modify it with Futaba radio, do some more mods, add some sound system to it. Man, this is gonna be simply awesome. Check it out. I told you there's no stopping, man. Oh man, these flowers are beautiful. Man, the performance of this 6-wheel drive is simply amazing. I'm loving it. Let's hit that very, very steep angle, shall we? That's called wall surfing, baby. Okay, we are back on our foot. That was nice. Second attempt. I'm not hitting full throttle actually. Here we go. That was full throttle and a cart wheelie. Back on the foot. Awesome. Let's hit less steep area. Ah, lost it. That's lots of a steep area there, man. Anyway, can we try backward? No, let's try front side only. More cart wheelie. That was nice. Man, the way it climbs the stairs, superb.